Hey guys, and welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today we have the 2014 Lincoln MKX. This is an auction car, not for retail sale, but it runs and drives decently. And I don't know if the next time I'd be able to feature one. So, here it is. It does have a bit of an exhaust leak, but you know what? It's perfectly okay with me. Seats on high. That way we can say hello. No, you can. I don't want to touch this, but whatever. Obviously has them in details, whatever. 131,000 miles on this example. 131,111 to be exact. You can definitely hear that little exhaust leak. It's not a massive exhaust leak. It actually provides a good tone to this thing. I think I floored this thing when I appraised it, so I'm probably not going to do the same because I don't know what this motor can do, but hey, that's not half bad. Cruising on the highway, this thing's not half bad. If I had to take this thing home, I could and would. Wow, this thing's not half bad. I almost shut the thing off just trying to feel soft touch materials. The brakes, oh, brakes are pretty good. You have manual mode, sport mode. Loving it. You know, these auction car videos are kind of jokes because they're not perfect examples of what these cars are. But I have my hands on them. Like I can get the boopa. I can get my hands on them, and they're pretty entertaining. So Exhaust leaks are fun. It makes me chuckle every time. Oh, I love exhaust leaks. That just makes it kind of, you know what, it sounds like a Raptor. I knew it sounded familiar. It's a Raptor. It's a Lincoln MKX Raptor. Oh, big bump. See how much the snowpack's melted. Oh, big bumps. Last time I came here, there was giant snowbank. Wow, okay. It's beginning to look a lot like summer. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. See y'all in the next one.